Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can restore the messages on Instagram. So, if you mistakenly deleted your messages or you have deleted it on purpose and want it back and want to restore it, this video is for you. Open Instagram, then go to your profile. After you go to your profile, click on the three lines on the top right hand corner and go to your activity. Then scroll all the way down and find the download your information. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see your profiles over here. Now you can click on download or transfer information and you can select your account over here. This is my Instagram account. I'll go ahead and select it and click next. After that, you can click on some of your information and you can select messages. So you can see the messages are here. Go ahead and tap on messages and click next. After that, you can download to device or download to destination and select this destination, or you can just click on download to device and click next. So you can choose the date range. So you can download the messages which was deleted last week, month, 3 months, 6 years, last year or last 3 years or all the time. So if you select all the time, it may take a way longer to download. So if you want to download some of the data or some of the messages from last week, just go ahead and click on last week and click save. Now you can see that you can notify this. So there are 2 mails you have registered. The 2 mails will receive mail from Instagram that you tried to restore the messages, and you can also choose the format of the file, and you can see the media quality. You can select high or medium according to your wish and click create files. So after that, you can see that your information is being prepared for download and they will let you know when your download is ready. So you can see that you have requested a download. So you can see this mail over here. You can see that it tells you thanks for requesting a copy of information. Once we've finished creating these files, we will send you another email to let you know they are ready to download to a mobile device or computer. When your files are ready, they will be available on the download your information page. For security reasons, they are only available to download for 4 days after they are ready. If you do not request a copy of your information, please take steps to further secure your account. So you can see that you will only get to view your messages after 4 days. So after 4 long days, you will get a mail from Instagram on the Gmail which you have registered with Instagram, and then you can download the message information. So guys, this is how you can restore the messages on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.